Hey there, today I'm going to show you how to make the Tunisian purl stitch. So I have my foundation row finished. This just uses the standard Tunisian simple stitch. If you need a video tutorial for that, I will link one in the description box below. I also have a blog post with my top tips for Tunisian crochet if you would like to check those out. So for the Tunisian purl stitch, what you need to do is we are going to be working with the yarn in front of our hook. So keeping the yarn, it's going to feel a little, it's sort of like knitting in the fact that you work with the yarn in front, a knitting purl stitch. So if you're familiar with purl stitches in knitting, this will feel familiar to you. So we want our yarn to be in front of our hook, and I'm just going to kind of put it down here because honestly this first one is kind of hard to crochet into. So with the yarn in front, insert your hook, take your yarn like this, and then yarn over. And then I like to see, this is our working yarn right here, this little loop. I like to kind of secure that with my thumb. And you're going to pull up a loop. So let's do that again. You're going to have your yarn in the front. Insert your hook under the bar. Yarn over. Pull up a loop. Okay. Yarn in the front. Insert your hook under the bar. Yarn over, pull up a loop. Yarn in the front, insert your hook under the bar, yarn over, pull up a loop. I'm just going to slowly finish out this row so you can keep watching. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop. I think the hardest part is figuring out how to move that yarn around with your pointer finger. Yarn in the front, under the bar, yarn over, pull up a loop. Yarn in the front, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop. When you get to the last stitch, instead of doing a purl stitch, what I want you to do is insert your hook under the V that's there, and then just pull up a loop. You'll notice that this stitch does not curl. It's a good one to use right at the edge of your projects to prevent some of that curling. It also adds a little bit of texture.